was number 7 on riddle 163. There's my system, and again, I gotta pick the variable I want to use as my key. Which of the 4 is the easiest to get? The second x, the one that has no number on it. And as a rule of thumb, guys, if you get to pick your own method and there isn't a variable ready to go for a substitution, use elimination. Especially if they're both in standard form. But this one, I have to use substitution. So I don't have a choice of saying, nah, let's do elimination for it. Subtract 2y from both sides. So x is 7 minus 2y, and there is my key. Yeah, plug it in and then jiggle a little bit. Well, here's a nice thing. As long as you put it in the right lock, the x goes in for the x, it'll fit. Let's use green. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 14.
Why did 2y go after the 7 this time?
Oh, I could have written them, guys, in either order. I just decided I didn't want to write it with the negative 2y as a leader. I could. It's just as legal to write this if you want to. Yeah. Yeah. So negative 2, and then 7 minus 2y plus 3y is 14. So I can go ahead and clean this side up. So negative 14 plus 4y plus 3y. Most of the mistakes I see in this are tied to, what was I going to say here? Watching the signs here. That's where the mistakes are going to happen. So now when I can combine like terms, I get negative 14 plus 7y is a positive 14. Add 14 to both sides. 7y is 28. Divide by 7. Y is 4. And then when I plug that back in, 7 minus 2 times 4, 7 minus 8 is a negative 1. The other thing to watch, guys, and this is what's going to burn at least one of us on the test, write your answer in the right ordered pair, x comma y, not y comma x. I have a really bad feeling when I go over your homework this weekend, I'm going to see a lot of people got a couple of these wrong because you found y first and you wrote your answer y comma x. And that's an unfortunate thing. You don't want to do that.